Sige. Come on, here. Ella, diretso sa bahay. Ang ganda. Oh. Look, Ella. Oh, ang ganda. Huwag kang tatakbo doon. Let's go, let's go.
Oh.
Wait for me.
Mama, you want to see the golden fish?
Yeah, but later on, what we need to go for is
The house.
okay. What's that?
Look,
Yeah, but we need to go to the house first.
that's you went. You didn't want to.
Michael, we go to the. Si Michael. You need to take him, Jonathan. Oh, bus. Choo choo. Wait for me. Ah? Wait for Michael. Because Michael skip so slow. Wala, wait natin si Michael. Mga dito kami sa Wesley Garden. Ikot-ikot. Michael, wait. Ay, Ella, wait. Picturean kita dyan. You want photo there? Ella, photo? And, yeah. Picture. Ang ganda, oh. Stay here because daddy said we need to wait. Ganda niya, oh. O, tapos yung araw. Nasaan yung araw? Oh, oh. This Ella. She's running. Ando sila. Oh. No, no, no. Later, Ella. We go to the house first. Don't run. Daddy's waiting for... saying, wait for them.
Yeah.
Ay, Michael. Michael, isa pa. Kitik-kitik ka talaga. Ay, si Michael. Kitik. Ah, maliktad. Ano yun?
So far onto the.
Si Michael kailangan talaga hawakan. Yeah? Ano? Tingnan.
Mama, look at that tree.
Yeah, I know. It's so cute, isn't it?
It's different.
Yeah. So, ang ganda ng mga bulaklak. Papasok kami dito
Where's the egg?
sa conservatory.
Mommy, what's going there?
Yeah, because it's open today. We need to go. Oh. Wait for me, wait. Go. Sandali lang. Sandali. Nandito kami sa loob. Wow. You want to take a photo, Ella? Shit. Ella, wait. Ella.
Sorry, no, 50.
Be careful. Wait a second. How can we see all the plants? You keep running. Ang init pa man din. Sa tropical ano ka. Yeah. Look, ang ganda dito. Sobrang ganda. Where's Ella now? Yeah, stay with me. Don't run. How can you know the name of the plants if you keep running, Michael? Gumamela. Here, gumamela. Mommy have this one in discount. This. It's cute.
Can you take a picture?
Yeah, I do. We have this.
You love Cucumalas, do you?
Gumamela. Wow. We need to check it. Maybe they called some... Jonathan, gumamela.
What?
Gumamela.
What does that mean?
It's a flower. They called gumamela.
Okay.
Yes, we have that in my country. You're not living in tropical country. Yeah, but be careful. I will take a photo of you there.
Ooh, water!
To hold other things. I can put in here. My, oops, sorry.
Daddy, look.
What is that? Purple velvet. We need to find Ella. Oh,
Mommy,
yeah?
over here we can take a picture.
Yeah. Okay. Ah, okay. You stay there.
Mommy, I want you to like...
1, 2, 3. Oh, come on.
They can eat them
Really?
because they can't get out.
Oh, yeah.
It's just so sticky.
Sticky. Look, this is beautiful small thing.
Snapdragons. Oh, that's all.
Sticky.
Mommy, I did what you did.
Yeah. Yeah, look. Okay. Look at the cactus. Wow.
Mama, look at that cool cat.
Oh yeah. Really cool.
Are you kidding me? This cactus is from Africa.
How do you know?
Mexico, actually.
Mexico. In Africa?
No, Mexico is different
Mexico
from.
South America.
Yeah, that is different.
South America.
Where are you, Ella? I want to take.
Over here.
Where?
This cactus.
Oh,
And that
that's what.
Mama, I want.
What kind of cactus is this?
It looks like a cute cactus.
Yeah.
The baby, the
I
baby.
like these ones that look like drums.
Ah.
Wow, look at that big cactus.
Oh wow, this is cool. It's big.
Oh, look at the other one.
Yeah. Huh.
America. It's from America. Whoa.
Me? I think that is outside. Wait.
That's
Good.
the emergency exit. Oh,
That's
yeah.
it. Oh, this one, Michael. Yeah, one more. You, both of you.
Mommy, look at this flower.
Gomamela.
It's one of your favorite.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which one is
Look, it's a.
Which one
Ang
is
dami
the
pera.
most golden plant? One.
Yeah.
I can see the one is one.
Yeah.